Well, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Allie Doyle, and I am Nasdaq's head of ETF listings. And today, I'm so excited to welcome to Nasdaq the CEO of RecShares, Scott Acheychek. I'd also like to give a warm greeting to the rest of the RecShares team and their distinguished guests who are here to ring the Nasdaq closing bell. Woo! We are so thrilled to have you all here today in the heart of Times Square to celebrate the REX, Fang, and Innovation Equity Premium Income ETF, ticker FEPI. RecShares launched its first ETF in 2016 and now has 28 products in the market, with approximately $4.5 billion in assets under management, including FEPI. RecShares is an innovative ETP provider focusing on alternative strategy ETNs and ETFs. And the launch of FEPI in October of 2023 marks RecShares' expansion beyond trading products in launching its first income-based product. FEPI provides exposure to leading tech firms that drive markets within the Fang and Innovation Index, equally weighted, ensuring a strategic approach to big tech. FEPI also uses a traditional covered call strategy that sells out-of-the-money calls on each of those names. Since launch, FEPI has grown to over $160 million in AUM in just 5 months. Nasdaq is thrilled to see the growth of FEPI and RecShares, and we look forward to the future of our partnership as your ETF listing exchange. And now, please join me in welcoming to the podium the CEO of RecShares, Scott Acheychek.
Thank you all for being here. Thank you, Allie. Thank you for pronunciating my last name properly. It's always a real treat. I just want to thank everybody. If we look around this room, we have our business partners. That includes on the microsector side from BMO, our business partners on the T-Rex side with Tuttle, market makers, traders for us, marketing partners, PR agencies. Like, this is basically the soul of who we are and what we do. And obviously our employees and colleagues are all here as well. So that's really all I have. Thank you so much. Thank you to my wife who's also here. And let's have a lot of fun tonight.
Great, yes, big day.
Thank you so much.